Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Hello, friends, and happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Happy Tuesday. All right, my friends, you know what time it is. It's time to stand up with Miss Angel and give yourself some love today. Who's ready to love on themselves today? With 3 positive affirmations. Are you ready? Awesome. All right, let's stretch out to the sides. Stretch out in front of you and wrap your arms around yourself and repeat after me. I am a great listener. I am a great learner. I love myself. And then give yourself a nice big squeeze. Awesome. Miss Angela is so proud of you for loving on yourself today. So go ahead and give yourself a hand clap, a pat on the back, and 2 thumbs up. Awesome sauce. All right, my friends. Remember, this week we are talking all things weather. What's the weather, right? All right, but first, we need to go over our circle time center board. The first thing being our date. Yesterday was March 28th, 2022. So we have to figure out what number comes after 28. Okay, so first we're going to count up to 28, and then we're going to say the number that comes next, okay? And Miss Angel's just looking through the numbers, seeing if I can find, here we go, the number for tomorrow, or for today, and tomorrow, why not? Okay, so I found it. Let's count up to 28 and then to the next number. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So, yesterday was the 28th, which makes today the 29th. 29 comes after 28. Awesome sauce. So we're just going to go ahead and put the 29th on the board and then read today's date. I'm so excited to count this high because guess what? That means that we're almost done with the month of March and that we're going to be welcoming in the next month. What's the next month? April. April is the month that is after March. Okay, now that we have the 29th on the board, we are good to use our pointer stick and read today's date. Okay, read with me, guys. Today is March 29th, 2022. That's right. Today is March 29th, 2022. Awesome. Next, we're going to go over our 12 months of the year. Because when we learn our 12 months of the year, then that means we know every month, right? And we know the order of the months. So, what month comes first? And then after that, and after that, and after that. That's the beauty of knowing our 12 months of the year song. Okay, so I'm going to count to 3, and then you guys will sing with me. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Those are the months of the year. Again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Very good. You know your 12 months of the year. Well, how about your 7 days? 7 days in a week. Do you know your 7 days of the week? I know you do. Well, remember, my friends, we need to find what today is because we have a star that's sitting here on Monday. But is today Monday? No, today is what? Tuesday. So let's go ahead and move our purple star from Monday and put it here on Tuesday. Because today is Tuesday all day long. All right, so I'm going to count to 3. And then we are going to sing our days of the week. Okay? Are you ready? Awesome. 1, 2, 3. There's Sunday, then there's Monday. There's Tuesday, then there's Wednesday. There's Thursday, then there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Awesome job. Next, we're going to sing that one more time. But this time, we're going to do it with a snap at the end, okay? All right, we'll count you in again. 1, 2, 3. There's Sunday, then there's Monday. There's Tuesday, then there's Wednesday. There's Thursday, then there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap, snap. All right. Very good. Next, we are going to talk about that weather. What's the weather like outside? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like outside? Look outside your window, guys, and tell me, do you see lots of rain coming down? How about snow? Do you see snow coming down? No. So the weather is not snowy, okay? The weather is indeed sunny today. Isn't that awesome? All right, but remember, we can see lots of rain during this time because the season is spring. So don't be surprised if you see rain. Remember yesterday we talked about representing the weather, representing winter, we're representing it being rainy like the springtime, and we also have a bathing suit here that represents the summertime when it's hot outside, right? So those are the different types of weather that we may experience, especially being in Chicago. Okay, so thank you for going over our weather. We're going to go over weather a little bit more, but first, of course, we want to make sure that we go ahead and get through our Circle Time Center. I have a nice little surprise for you guys today, okay? All right. And now we're going to get into this letter of the week. If you look here, then we have our letter of the week, which is the letter W. If you said W, give yourself a hand clap, a pat on the back, and 2 thumbs up. Yes, the letter of the week is W. The W says W. The W says W. Every letter makes a sound. The W says W. W is for watermelon, right? Here is a watermelon. Do you see the letter W for watermelon? That's right. And what do we do with watermelons? Do we wear a watermelon on our head? No. Do we toss a watermelon like a ball? No. You want to know why? Because if you drop a watermelon, it's going to go splat and it's going to crack all up, all open. Okay, and then you don't want to eat it then, right? It's going to be all dirty. So no, we don't throw watermelons. Do we eat watermelons? Yes, we eat watermelon because a watermelon is a fruit. Awesome. Okay, W, that makes the W sound, is also for whale. Whale, aren't you smart? Here is a whale, and there is a W for whale. All right, very good. We're going to go ahead and put our whale back on the board. And next is time for rhyming words. Who likes to rhyme? You like to rhyme. Who likes to rhyme? Miss Angel likes to rhyme. And we do it all the time because we rhyme. All right. Our rhyme words for this week is, we have truck. Wow, look at that. A truck is also a form of transportation. Remember last week we talked all things transportation? Well, guess what? This truck can carry so much stuff on it and make deliveries like to grocery stores. It can even help people transfer their whole houses. Did you know that? Some people use these crates up here to live in them. And sometimes if they want to move somewhere, they could pick up their house because it's a crate and move the house. Isn't that interesting? Transportation. All right. Also, we have duck. Duck rhymes with truck. Say duck. Good. Now say truck. Awesome. Duck, truck. Duck, truck. What rhymes with duck? Truck. What rhymes with duck? Truck. Well, what rhymes with truck? Duck. What rhymes with truck? Duck. Good. Thank you guys for going over your rhyming words. We're going to go ahead and put these rhyming words back on the board. And next we're going to talk about something that is the color of a sunflower. Do you know what color sunflowers are? Are sunflowers yellow? Oh yeah, the color yellow. What else is yellow? Bananas are yellow. I think the baby has a little yellow in her top here. Awesome. And we have yellow on the board. Today's day, which is Tuesday, is on a yellow card. So that's yellow. Can you look around your house and find something that's yellow? Take a look. Take a look, take a look, take a look and see if you can find something the color of yellow. Like possibly a banana. Did you eat a banana today? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Did you know that you can use bananas to make smoothies? Oh yeah. Miss Angel taught you something new today, or maybe it's not new, but you can do that. All right, we're going to go ahead and put our yellow card back on the board. And next we're going to talk about our shape for the week. Our shape for the week has 5 points. Can you remember what shape has 5 points? A star. Let's count the points on the star. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. A star has 5 points. Very good. Okay, my friends, it is time to do some math. Remember, our number for last week was the number 11. So this week we are doing the number 12. So we are going to work together and count these gumdrops in our gumball machine and make sure we have 12. Here's the number 12, a 1 and a 2. Okay, so we need to count these and make sure that there are indeed 12 gumballs in our gumball machine. Okay, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 gumballs in our gumball machine. So what if we take away half of these gumballs? Do you know how many is half of 12? 6. So we're going to take away 6 gumballs, okay? And see how many do we have left. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We took away 6 gumballs. So now let's count and see how many is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa! So you mean to tell me there was 12 gumballs? We took 6 away, and then there's 6 left? Well, that's what makes it half. That's what happens when you take half of something. It's the same number on both sides. Okay, they're equal. Okay, let's go ahead and put 6 back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, that means we should have 12 again, right? Because we had 6, then we added another 6, so now it should be 12. So let's count them and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Awesome sauce. Thank you so much for doing a little bit of math today and for completing your Circle Time Center. Very good. Miss Angela is so proud of you, of course. So go ahead and give yourself a hand clap, a pat on the back, and 2 thumbs up. All right, my friends, now let's get into the good stuff. Let's get into the fun stuff. We are going to talk all things weather. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. I have brought with me some special guests. You've met them before, but they have returned to go over weather with us, okay? So first, we have Amina. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, Amina is here to talk all things weather with us, and she even drew a picture to help us to understand what weather looks like, what the weather that she drew looks like. So, Amina, what weather are you helping us to learn about today?
Rainy.
Rain? Okay, so rain is a form of weather. So if you go outside and it's raining, you may need to bring a
Umbrella.
You may need to bring an umbrella or rain boots or a raincoat, right? Because there's something that is falling down from the what?
Sky.
Oh my goodness. So yes, from the sky. Amina, go ahead and show them your picture and tell them all about the picture that you drew about rain.
So I dropped a person wearing the rain.
Wearing a raincoat?
Yeah, a raincoat, umbrella, and this is her jumping in a puddle.
Come over somewhere so we can see you. Oh, she's jumping in a muddy puddle?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So where's the rain?
The rain is right here.
Awesome. Very good. And then on the bottom there are muddy puddles because what happens is there's dirt on the ground, right? And then when the water falls from the sky, it wets this dirt. It makes it all mushy and gushy, yes, which turns it into mud. And some people, or some children especially, likes to play in muddy
Puddles.
in muddy puddles. So some children may put on their rain boots and their raincoat just to go outside and do that. I mean, they want to jump and jump and jump in muddy puddles. What did you want to say?
Oh, I was gonna say I jumped in a muddy. Just a puddle. It didn't really have mud.
Oh, so you jumped in a puddle of rain?
Yeah.
Wow, I bet that was fun.
Yes, I had my boots on.
You had your boots on? Very good, because otherwise you don't want to have on like gym shoes and get your socks all wet, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Amina, thank you so much for helping our friends learn about the weather in the form of rain.
You're welcome.
You did a very good job, and we learned something today, right, guys? Awesome. So go ahead and get our next guest that's going to talk about another form of weather, okay?
And you'll never guess.
Oh, you never guess. So would you like to take a second and kind of think, what else could we see today? I have something in mind that I think we're going to learn about. But I have to wait until they bring it in here so that we can see what it's going to be. Hello, friend.
Hello.
All right, so our next friend is here. This is our friend Jamil. And Jamil is going to help us to learn more about weather. All right, so what form of weather are you going to help us to learn about, Jamil?
I will help you learn about snow.
Snow! Whoa! Okay, and what season would we see snow? What season?
In December.
Well, that's the month.
I mean, in winter.
Okay, yes. In the winter, we will see snow. Sometimes in early spring, we may even see snow. But we're not gonna talk that up because hopefully we're not gonna see any snow this spring. But go ahead, show them your wonderful picture of snow.
This is snow and a snowman.
Wow! So you drew a snowman, and it is snowing on the snowman. Go ahead and put the picture a little bit closer. I'm sure they want to see this awesome skills work that you did. Snow, awesome. So Jamil, do you like snow?
Yes.
What do you like to build with the snow?
A snowman.
You like to build a snowman?
Yes.
Awesome. All right. And hey, I have another question. So if it snows outside, does that mean it's cold outside?
Yes.
And what would happen if you touch that snow with just your bare hands and try to make like a snowman or something?
It will be very cold.
It will be very cold. Yes, I have done that before. Tried to make a snowball with bare hands or hands with nothing on it. And I was like, oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. All right, that was excellent. Thank you so much for sharing your artwork with us and for helping us to learn about another form of weather, just snow.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right, so go ahead and bring in our next guest that's going to teach us more about weather. We are learning so much about weather. This is so much fun. Okay, next, our guest is this is our guest, Kyer. So come on over, Kyer.
Hello.
All right, and Kyer, we're talking all things weather, right? So what are you going to show us today? What weather are you talking about today?
Wind.
You're talking about wind. Wow. Guys, have you ever been outside and this has been windy? Whoa. You feel like you're just getting blown away? All right. Well, we are going to learn some things about wind. Can you show our friends your picture that you drew? Wow. So explain to them what's going on.
So the wind is blowing away these leaves.
Oh,
they're different
wow.
colors.
That happens when there's leaves on the ground and it's really windy outside. You can see the leaves like kind of lift up. Not kind of, they actually lift up off the ground when it's really windy, and the wind will blow them around in like a circle. So that's a really good drawing of leaves and it being really windy. So what season would you see a lot of leaves on the ground being blown around?
Fall.
In fall, yes. Because in fall, the leaves are falling off the tree, okay? It's preparing to be winter. So all the leaves slowly fall off the tree. Awesome. So thank you, Kyer, for sharing your drawing. I have a question for you. Look to our friends and let them know, how do you feel about windy weather? Do you like windy weather?
I do, because you can fly kites. You can do many things with windy weather.
with windy weather. That's really cool. I didn't even think about a kite, but yes, you can fly kites when it is windy outside. Very cool. All right, thank you so much for sharing with us your artwork and talking to us about weather, about wind. All right, go ahead and say bye to our friends.
Bye.
Thank you so much. All right, my friends, and that concludes our class today, talking all things weather. All right, so today we have art class, and we're going to talk more about, you guessed it, about weather. Okay, so you're going to see our friend. Let's see if I can lift her up so that she can say hi. Hold on a second. This is our friend Ashanti. Oh, let's see. All right, we have Ashanti. Ashanti, would you like to say hi? Say hi. Say happy weather. Yes. All right, my friends. So we will see you shortly to do artwork on weather. All right. So see you. And remember, today is Tuesday all day long. Bye, friends.